Alright guys, today my mom is going to be showing y'all a recipe that she had found on Pinterest, because you know we're trying new things over here. So this is called a cabbage casserole, something different, something that I have never tried before. So I'm going to be telling y'all what's going on while she do all the hard work today, and you will hear my lovely voice. So she is shredding up cabbage. She's going to shred up a medium to a small cabbage, and while she's doing that, and you can see how it's shredded like this. This is how she got it. That's how you're going to do it. So I'm going to go ahead and give you the rundown on the ingredients. So she has 3 tablespoons of cream cheese right here, 3 tablespoons of mayo. She has cornstarch right here, a half of activated yeast. She has half a teaspoon of salt and 3 tablespoons of whole wheat flour. She has 7 ounces of heavy whipping cream and 4 large eggs. She has mozzarella cheese right here. She's going to use some total seasoning, salt and pepper, and green onions in the back. So after she cuts her cabbage, she's going to dump in that half a tablespoon of salt, and she's going to mix it up so that the salt can kind of make the cabbage a little more softer in texture, so it won't be so crunchy, even though we're going to add like a little sauce on top with cheese. So after you do that, you just want to set it aside. Now you want to go ahead and work on making your sauce. So she's going to crack her 4 eggs that I told you, and she's going to whisk them up. Then she's going to move on to her heavy whipping cream, which is 7 ounces. She's going to be light on the salt because the total seasoning has salt in it already, and if you put too much salt, it is going to make it salty. Now y'all know I like to add a lot of seasonings and less salt because I like flavor. But y'all know total seasoning, if you have it, you know where it's at. And then she's going to mix all that up together. She's going to add her green onions in here as well. And you just want to make sure your eggs have been broken down and your cream cheese is soft enough that it blends in with your mixture. And last but not least, she's going to add her whole wheat flour once she gets everything incorporated so that it won't have any chunks in it. And you're just going to keep stirring it until it's smooth. after you have everything smooth and consistent, she's gonna go ahead and go back and get her casserole dish. Now you can use whatever casserole dish that you like. She's gonna use a deeper one so that when everything rises and cooks, it doesn't overspill. So remember the cabbage that she used earlier. You gotta scoot it down so they can see you. Right here. So the cabbage she used earlier, she shredded up and she put the tablespoon of salt. All she's gonna do right now is just layer it in the casserole dish. So you don't have to grease it, you don't have to do anything, just layer in there. You don't want to overfill it because you have to put the sauce in there and then you have to layer it with the cheese on top. So maybe a small to a medium cabbage depending on how big your casserole dish is and how deep. So you want to get a deeper one than one that's more like self-even. So now all she's gonna do is pour her sauce over. Evenly pour it over because you want to make sure all the cabbage is soaking and drenched in the sauce. Now you're not going to mix it up or anything because it's going to get into the cracks and crevices of the cabbage. So just pour it in there evenly. She wants to get a spatula and she wants to clean that out. Maybe a spatula will work better. Maybe a spatula, y'all. I know she don't listen. There you go. That's for the bakers. The bakers know you use spatulas to clean everything off. You see the bow now. Alright, and then all she's gonna do is top it off with the mozzarella cheese. And she's gonna put this in the oven at 375 for how long? 45 minutes, she said. So 375 for 45 minutes. When it is done, I will be back to show y'all, and I will be back to let you know if this is worth me eating, because y'all know I'm on a healthy journey, and if it ain't what it is, I'm gonna let her know. So I'm gonna let her finish it off, and then we'll be back to see the final product. Alright guys, so I'm shocked. It looked just like the demo that we found, and it smelled good. So she's gonna scoop me a little bit out. I prefer the corner. Let's see what the corner tasting like, and I will let y'all know if this is worth the try. I don't want a big piece. Ooh, look at that. Okay, she left my cheese. Give me my cheese, please. Okay, so let me try it. Oh, this is hot, y'all. Look at that. It's steaming. It's hot. I like because it's brown, it's golden brown. Okay, let's try it out. Hold on. Yeah, it tastes good. I was scared. I was like, this ain't gonna do it. I was a little nervous. It's good though, like it tastes like macaroni without the noodles. It's hot. Okay. It's really good. I really like it. It tastes like macaroni without the noodles. It tastes like it got noodles in it, but it's not. I don't know how to explain it, but it's good. So this will be in the cookbook, y'all. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, try this out. Follow exactly the recipe that you see on the side when it pops up, and cook it, and you will love it. So I'll see y'all next time.